We watch movies, living on the moon seems almost effortless. Characters stroll around, build cities, and even play golf. But in reality, the challenges are far greater than Hollywood suggests. The moon is a harsh, unforgiving place, and surviving there requires much more than imagination. In this video, we'll explore what it really takes for humans to live on the moon, from basic survival needs to advanced technology. Let's start by understanding the biggest obstacles that stand between us and lunar life. First and most obvious problem is the lack of air. The moon has no atmosphere, which means there's no oxygen to breathe. On Earth, we take air for granted, but on the moon, it's a luxury that doesn't exist naturally. Without a spacesuit, a human would survive only a few seconds before suffocating. This makes every breath a challenge, and any lunar habitat must be completely sealed and supplied with oxygen. The absence of air also affects other aspects of survival, like temperature control and protection from radiation. Second major challenge is temperature. The moon's surface experiences extreme swings. During the day, temperatures can soar to 127 degrees C, while at night they plummet to minus 173 degrees C. These conditions are far beyond what humans can handle. On Earth, our atmosphere helps regulate temperature, but on the moon, there's nothing to buffer these extremes. Any lunar base must be equipped with advanced insulation and climate control systems to keep inhabitants safe and comfortable. Otherwise, the risk of heat stroke or freezing is constant. On Earth, our atmosphere acts as a shield, protecting us from harmful radiation from the sun and space. The moon, however, offers no such protection. Without an atmosphere, lunar explorers are exposed to dangerous cosmic rays and solar radiation. Long exposure can seriously damage the human body, increasing the risk of cancer and other health issues. Any lunar habitat must be designed to block or absorb radiation, using thick walls or special material. This is a critical factor for long-term survival. Moon's gravity is only about 1/6 of Earth's. At first, this might sound fun, imagine jumping higher and moving with ease. But over time, low gravity causes serious health problems. Muscles weaken, bones lose density, and the body struggles to adapt. Astronauts on the International Space Station face similar issues, but lunar missions would require even longer stays. To counteract these effects, lunar bases must include exercise equipment and medical support. Otherwise, living on the moon could mean a gradual decline in physical health. Despite these challenges, space agencies like NASA are planning future moon bases. The goal is to create sealed habitats that provide air, water, and protection from the harsh environment. Engineers are working on advanced systems to recycle air and water, ensuring that lunar residents have everything they need. These bases will rely on technology to maintain life, from climate control to radiation shielding. Survival on the moon is possible, but it requires constant support and innovation. One of the most important aspects of lunar living is building habitats. These structures must be airtight, insulated, and strong enough to withstand radiation and meteor impacts. Engineers are experimenting with new materials and designs, including inflatable modules and underground shelters. The goal is to create safe, comfortable spaces where humans can live and work. Every detail matters, from airlocks to emergency systems. Building on the moon is a complex challenge, but progress is being made. Applying air and water is a top priority for lunar bases. Scientists are developing systems to recycle air, extract oxygen from lunar rocks, and purify water. Every drop in breath must be carefully managed. Some plans involve transporting water from Earth, while others focus on finding ice deposits beneath the lunar surface. These resources are essential for survival, and managing them efficiently is a major engineering challenge. Food is another critical need. Scientists are exploring ways to grow crops using lunar soil, but this is still experimental. The moon's soil lacks many nutrients, and the environment is harsh. Researchers are testing hydroponic systems and artificial lighting to support plant growth. If successful, these methods could provide fresh food for lunar residents, reducing dependence on supplies from Earth. Growing food on the moon is a big step toward self-sufficiency. Spacesuits are essential for any activity outside lunar habitats. They provide oxygen, regulate temperature, and shield the wearer from radiation and micrometeoroids. Modern suits are highly advanced, but they must be improved for long-term lunar missions. Comfort, mobility, and durability are key factors. Without a reliable spacesuit, even a short walk on the moon could be deadly. Engineers continue to refine designs to ensure safety and efficiency. Radiation is a constant threat on the moon. Engineers are developing shielding solutions, such as thick walls made from lunar regolith or special materials that absorb cosmic rays. Some designs include underground habitats, using the moon's surface as a natural barrier. Effective shielding is essential for protecting health and enabling long-term stays. Without it, lunar residents would face serious risks. Maintaining a stable climate inside lunar habitats is vital. Advanced systems regulate temperature, humidity, and air quality. These systems must be reliable and efficient, as any failure could be life-threatening. Engineers are designing backup systems and emergency protocols to ensure safety. Climate control is a cornerstone of lunar living, making it possible to survive in an otherwise hostile environment. To counteract the effects of low gravity, lunar residents must exercise regularly. Special equipment like resistance machines and treadmills helps maintain muscle strength and bone density. Medical teams monitor health and provide support. Staying fit is not just a matter of comfort, it's essential for survival. Without regular exercise, the body would weaken quickly, making lunar life unsustainable. Staying connected is crucial for lunar missions. Advanced communication systems link lunar bases to Earth, allowing for real-time updates, emergency alerts, and scientific collaboration. Engineers are working on reliable networks that can withstand the moon's harsh conditions. Communication is not just about convenience, it's a lifeline for safety and progress. Powering lunar bases requires innovative energy solutions. Solar panels are a popular choice, but engineers are also exploring nuclear and battery systems. Energy must be reliable as any outage could threaten survival. Efficient storage and backup systems are essential. The moon's long nights and harsh environment make energy management a complex challenge. Moving around the moon requires specialized vehicles. Lunar rovers are designed to handle rough terrain, extreme temperatures, and dust. Engineers are developing new models with improved mobility and safety features. Transport is essential for exploration, resource gathering, and emergency response. Every vehicle must be reliable and easy to maintain. Moon's surface is covered in fine dust, which can damage equipment and pose health risks. Engineers are developing solutions to manage dust, including special coatings and airlocks. Dust control is vital for maintaining habitat integrity and protecting residents. Every step on the moon must be carefully planned to avoid contamination and equipment failure. Emergencies can happen at any time on the moon. Lunar bases must be equipped with backup systems, medical supplies, and evacuation plans. Engineers design habitats with multiple safety features, including alarms and secure shelters. Preparedness is essential for handling accidents, equipment failures, or health crises. Every detail is planned to ensure survival. Managing resources is a constant challenge. Every item from food to spare parts must be tracked and rationed. Engineers use advanced software to monitor supplies and predict needs. Efficient resource management reduces waste and ensures that lunar residents have what they need. It's a delicate balance that requires careful planning and innovation. Living on the moon isn't just physically demanding, it's mentally challenging too. Isolation, confinement, and the harsh environment can affect mood and mental health. Scientists are studying ways to support lunar residents, including virtual reality, communication with loved ones, and structured routines. Psychological support is as important as physical health for long-term survival. Surviving on the moon requires teamwork. Lunar residents must work together to solve problems, share resources, and support each other. Space agencies train astronauts in collaboration and conflict resolution. Teamwork is essential for maintaining morale and ensuring safety. Every mission depends on strong relationships and clear communication. Moon offers unique opportunities for scientific research. Lunar bases can study geology, astronomy, and biology in ways not possible on Earth. Scientists hope to learn more about the moon's history, the solar system, and even the origins of life. Research drives innovation and helps justify the effort of lunar exploration. Exploring the moon is about more than survival. Space agencies aim to map the surface, search for resources, and test new technologies. Every mission expands our knowledge and prepares us for future journeys, including Mars. Exploration is a key motivator for lunar living, inspiring innovation and discovery. Lunar missions often involve international cooperation. Agencies from around the world share knowledge, resources, and technology. Collaboration increases the chances of success and reduces costs. Working together helps solve complex problems and builds global partnerships. The moon is a place for unity and shared progress. Living on the moon drives technology development. Engineers invent new materials, systems, and tools to solve unique challenges. Innovations created for lunar missions often benefit life on Earth, from water purification to energy storage. Technology is the foundation of lunar survival and progress. Scientists are testing lunar soil for construction and agriculture. The soil, called regolith, is abundant but challenging to use. Experiments focus on making bricks, extracting oxygen, and growing plants. Success in these areas could make lunar bases more self-sufficient and reduce dependence on Earth. Finding water on the moon is a major breakthrough. Scientists have detected ice deposits in shadowed craters. Extracting and purifying this water could support lunar residents and enable longer missions. Water is essential for drinking, agriculture, and even fuel production. Discovery drives hope for sustainable lunar living. Supplying food is a constant challenge. Most food must be transported from Earth, but scientists are working on growing crops locally. Hydroponics, artificial lighting, and nutrient recycling are key strategies. Reliable food supply is essential for health and morale. Progress in lunar agriculture could change the future of moon living. Managing waste is vital for lunar bases. Engineers design systems to recycle air, water, and materials. Efficient waste management reduces contamination and supports sustainability. Every item is reused or repurposed whenever possible. Cleanliness and resource conservation are top priorities. Medical support is essential for lunar residents. Doctors and engineers develop protocols for treating injuries, illnesses, and emergencies. Telemedicine connects lunar bases to experts on Earth. Medical supplies and equipment must be carefully managed. Healthcare is a cornerstone of lunar survival. Safety systems are built into every lunar habitat. Engineers design alarms, secure shelters, and emergency protocols. Redundancy ensures that backup systems are available in case of failure. Safety is the foundation of lunar living, protecting residents from accidents and environmental threats. Innovative habitat designs are key to lunar living. Engineers experiment with modular structures, inflatable units, and underground shelters. Each design aims to maximize safety, comfort, and efficiency. Habitat innovation is a driving force behind lunar exploration, making life possible in a hostile environment. Storing power is a major challenge on the moon. Engineers develop advanced batteries and backup systems to ensure energy is available during long lunar nights. Efficient storage reduces risk and supports continuous operations. Power management is essential for survival and progress. Robots play a vital role in lunar missions. They assist with construction, maintenance, and exploration. Engineers design robots to handle harsh conditions and perform tasks humans cannot. Robotic assistance increases safety and efficiency, making lunar living more practical. Many lunar activities are controlled remotely from Earth. Engineers use advanced software and communication systems to operate equipment and monitor habitats. Remote operations reduce risk and allow experts to assist from afar. This approach is essential for complex tasks and emergencies. Space tourism is a growing interest. Companies are exploring ways to offer lunar trips for adventure and research. Tourism could drive investment and innovation, but safety and sustainability are top concerns. The moon may become a destination for more than just astronauts in the future. Lunar missions must consider environmental impact. Engineers design systems to minimize waste, protect habitats, and preserve the moon's surface. Sustainable practices are essential for long-term success. Every action is carefully planned to avoid damaging the lunar environment. Space agencies are planning future moon bases. Designs include modular habitats, research stations, and even mining facilities. These bases will support exploration, science, and possibly tourism. The vision is to create a sustainable presence on the moon, paving the way for future missions. Permanent settlement on the moon is a distant goal. Challenges include resource scarcity, health risks, and technological limitations. Scientists and engineers are working to solve these problems, but progress is slow. Permanent lunar living requires breakthroughs in many areas. Life on the moon is very different from Earth. The lack of atmosphere, extreme temperatures, and low gravity create unique challenges. Earth provides comfort and safety while the moon demands constant adaptation. Comparing the two highlights the difficulties of lunar living and the importance of technology. Movies often make lunar living look easy and glamorous. In reality, every aspect is challenging and requires advanced technology. The contrast between fiction and fact highlights the complexity of lunar survival. Understanding these differences helps set realistic expectations for future missions. Technological progress is making lunar living more feasible. Innovations in habitat design, energy, and healthcare are driving change. Every breakthrough brings us closer to sustainable moon bases. Progress is slow but steady, fueled by curiosity and determination. Despite all efforts, the moon isn't a second home, at least not yet. Living there requires constant support, advanced technology, and careful planning. Comfort and permanence are still out of reach. The moon remains a place for exploration and research, not everyday life. With the right technology and determination, the moon could become a second home someday. Scientists and engineers continue to push boundaries, inventing new solutions and dreaming big. The journey is long, but every step brings us closer to a future where lunar living is possible. Can humans really live on the moon? The answer is yes, but not naturally. We would need advanced technology, constant support systems, and protection from the harsh environment. Unlike in movies, lunar living wouldn't be easy, comfortable, or permanent, at least not yet. The moon isn't a second home, but with the right technology, it might become one. The dream of lunar life is alive, and every innovation brings us closer to making it a reality.